Hi, today we will look into a trick that will help us to do the ninth table on our hand. So we will use our hand to tell the ninth table. Let us look how to do that. For that we will just keep our palms side by side like this, and each finger would be represented with a number from 1 to 10 here. When we want to multiply 9 with any of these numbers, first thing we will do is we will just fold the finger that is corresponding to the number we want to multiply. After folding the number, we will count the number of fingers on the left side of the folded finger. This will give the first part of the result. Then we will count the number of fingers on the right side of the folded finger. This will give the second half of the result. So to say again, first we will fold the finger, then we will count the left side of the folded finger for the first part of the result, and then we will count the right side of the folded finger to get the second part of the result. Let us see the table now. The first thing, when we want to do 9 times 1, we have to fold the first finger, because here we are representing this to be 1. We will fold this finger, and when we have to count the fingers on the left side of this, we don't have anything, so it is 0. On the right side of this, we have got 4 plus 5, 9. So the result is 0, 9. When we want to do the 9 times 2, it is same. We will fold the second finger here, because here 2 is represented with this finger. So we will fold this finger. Towards left of this we have one finger, and towards right of this we have got 3 plus 5, 8 fingers. So when we have to write the result, we will write it to be 1 and 8. This trick we can write from 9 times 1 to 9 times 10. But the same trick can be extended for writing 9 times 11 to 9 times 99. That we will see in our next video. If you want to see the entire table how we are going to write using our fingers, you can proceed further in the same video. Now let us see 9 times 3. When it is 9 times 3, this is the third number representing 3, right? So we will fold this particular number. Okay, and then we will start counting. Towards left we have got 2 fingers, and towards right we have got 7 fingers, so 27. For 9 times 4, again we will fold the fourth finger, and towards right of this we have got 6. For the first part is towards left, so towards left we have got how many fingers here? 1 2 3 fingers. 3 first and then 6, that is 6. So the result of this is 36. When we want to see 9 times 5, we will fold the fifth finger, and now for the result, towards left we have got 4 fingers, and towards right we have got 5 fingers. Like this we can write 9 times 5 to be 45. If we see the next thing, we have to do 9 times 6, folding the sixth finger. Towards left we have 5, and towards right we have got 4. So the result would be 54. For the 9 times 7, folding the seventh finger. Now again towards right 6 fingers, and towards left 6 fingers, and towards right it is 3 fingers. The result is 63. And for 9 times 8, folding the 8th finger, we can see here towards the left it is clearly 7 fingers, and towards right we have got 2 fingers. Putting down the answer to be 72. 9 times 8 is 72, and the next thing we have to do is 9 times 9, folding the ninth finger. Towards left 8 fingers, towards right 1 finger, so we can write the answer to be 81. and it's 9 times 10. Folding the 10th one, we can clearly see towards the left we have got 9 fingers, and towards right we don't have any number fingers, which means 0. That is why we will keep it to be 9 0. Okay, this way we can do the ninth table using our fingers very quickly. Even if we want to give any random multiplication, we just have to fold the corresponding finger and just count the fingers on the left and right and put down that to be the result. The same trick for 9 times 11 to 9 times 99 how to do, we will see in the next video.